My mother was a brilliant, 5-foot-tall, brown woman with an accent. She was tough, courageous, a trailblazer in the fight for women's health, and she taught us to never complain about injustice, but do something about it. Do something about it.
Kamala Harris made history by becoming the first woman, the first black person, and the first Indian American to become US Vice President in 2021. She's now ready to take on her Republican rival, Donald Trump, for the top job. Kamala Harris often cites her mother as an inspiration for her political career. But what do we know about the woman who inspired Harris to break barriers? Kamala's mother, Dr. Shyamala Gopalan, was born to a civil servant father and a homemaker mother in Chennai in 1938. Her father moved the family every few years between Chennai, New Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. A gifted singer of Carnatic music, Shyamala won a national competition as a teenager. She studied for a Bachelor of Science in Home Science at Lady Irwin College, University of Delhi, graduating in 1958. Gopalan dreamed of finding a cure for breast cancer and was 19 when she travelled from India to California with that hope. She pursued a PhD in nutrition and endocrinology at the University of California in Berkeley. Her parents used their retirement savings to help her during the first year. With no phone connection at home, they communicated with her by aerogram. After moving to the US, Miss Gopalan almost immediately gravitated to the black community and found a common cause with the civil rights movement. At one such meeting in 1962, she met Donald Harris, an economics student from Jamaica who was pursuing a doctorate. The two married a year later in 1963. In 1964, at 25, Miss Gopalan earned her doctorate and gave birth to Kamala Harris. 2 years later, she had a second daughter, Maya Harris, who's now a lawyer and political commentator. The marriage didn't last and the couple divorced in 1971. Miss Gopalan worked at the University of Illinois, the University of Wisconsin, and in France and Italy. She spent 16 years at McGill University's Lady Davis Institute for Medical Research at the Jewish General Hospital in Canada. During the last decade of her work, she returned to UC Berkeley to conduct research within the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. Ms. Gopalan received numerous honors for her work as a research scientist. Notably, her discovery related to the hormone responsiveness of breast tissue led to many subsequent advances. She died of colon cancer at the age of 70 in 2009, a year before Kamala Harris was elected as California's Attorney General. In a 2019 memoir, The Truths We Hold, Miss Harris wrote, "Mommy, you are the star of this book because you are the reason for everything. There is no title or honor on earth I treasure more than to say I am Shyamala Gopalan Harris's daughter."